Yes, yes. I'm glad PB Gang tagged me into these pictures, bro. I'm glad you guys recommended this right here, because y'all already know, man, I'm on the ball train. I ain't going front. You feel me? You know my guys, man. They're from California. I'm from California. And it's just, I like the grind, bro. I saw how they came from nothing to something, bro. And then now they're in the wave game, so it's just perfect. It's right down my alley, bro. But with that being said, bro, this video right here is gonna be on my guy Melo, aka Durag Melo, man. He doing this shit. My God, I'm hyped, bro, because this nigga, his progress is crazy already that fast, and he only been waving for about 3 or 4 months. It's another picture. It's pictures. I think he got two shape ups in one day. Y'all was tagging me into 2 different type of pictures, 2 pictures, and it was like, it looked like the same cut, but it was just, I don't know, bro. I'm gonna explain to y'all more, bro. There's a lot I gotta say to y'all, bro. Just keep it locked.
I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave, so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave, so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave, I'm so wavy, yes, I'm so wavy. Wave.
All right, PB Gang. So look, the first picture and video I saw, you guys was tagging me in right here, is by Barber in the 951, and that's crazy though, because it says he's in Riverside 951. That's like Riverside area. I live in the IE myself, so I know he's close, he's local, you feel me? And he cut mellow hair. I'm like, damn, it's crazy. And then you guys, so the picture is right here, bro. And what's crazy about this picture right here, bro, is that when I saw this picture, I immediately thought about Lonzo, the bro. And I'm like, my nigga, he caught you, bro. He caught you. He caught you, man. My guy ain't playing, bro. And you guys say, oh, this just, you just saying this because he's a celebrity and this and that. I'll be seeing the comments, man. I'll be seeing the comments, bro. Like, I'll see the comments. You know what I'm saying? You guys like, oh man, you just saying this because he's a celebrity. Nigga, yes, bro, you guys don't understand how hard it is to maintain 360 waves. It's not in maintaining, bro. He gained progress at the same time as he, you know, he was trying to get to 360 waves. He's gaining progress. It's still gaining progress when he's fucking playing sports. And you cannot wear a durag, bro. It's hard to do that. I don't give a fuck what type of hair texture you got. It's hard, I know, bro, because I'm doing that now. And I'm maintaining my shit. So I can only imagine not maintaining them. I can only imagine when you have nothing, no waves at all, and you're trying to get them at the same time while you're doing sports. You know what I'm saying? It's crazy, bro. Anyways, man, this is the picture right here, bro. That nigga shit, come on, bro. I don't care. You niggas can't say this shit don't look good, bro. He didn't step his game up. Melo. Lonzo, that's why I said Lonzo. You gotta watch out, guy. Watch out, my guy, because Melo is coming for you, man. He's coming for you, bro. And he might be on you already. You see that shit? He might just be on you already, man. I don't know, Lonzo. You better watch out, my guy. He might just be on you already. As you guys can see, man, he has forks. He has forks. You know what I'm saying? Which is definitely, you should have forks because he just started his wave journey. You know what I'm saying? But he brushes his hair. Like I watch his lives and stuff, and you know he be playing the game and shit, brushing his hair. Like I never saw him like actually in the mirror get brushing this shit. Which you should be in the mirror, my guy. You should be in the mirror because then you can get your angles on point and all that, and it'd be easier for you to break your forks. But I understand, you know, you get busy at times and you want to blind brush. They coming, bro. They there. They're not even coming, my nigga. They there. So I know he actually brushes his hair. He actually, you know, like the waving lifestyle, bro. You know what I'm saying? He making it as a lifestyle, and that's what's up. He loved the culture, the wave culture. And that's what's up. And you can obviously see, you know what I'm saying? He don't just not brush his hair. Them shits ain't gonna come on his own like that. You know what I'm saying? So y'all can see he put in the work. Let's go to the next picture. You feel me? That was the left side. Yeah, that was the left side. This is the right side right here. You know, obviously his right side looking like it's a little bit more stronger than his left. You see the left? You see them forks right there, but it still look nice. Now you see the right side. It's stronger. It's definitely stronger. But them just look good. Them just look good, and I like that he get the ball taper, bro. Like that shit is hard. So anyways, I was kind of confused because this guy right here, I was getting tagged in this picture, and I was getting tagged in another picture of my guy. And I'll explain to you guys after this right here, because I saw this right here as well. I'm like, whoa. So that's the barber that shaped him up. I mean, obviously he didn't get a haircut, he just got a shape up. You feel me? So that's that right there, man. That's, you can see the shit, the definition and everything. Obviously my guy did not get a haircut because he just got a haircut. He cut the wolf off last week, so he's getting shape ups every week. So that's how you know this nigga's serious about his waves. Like, he's getting the shape up every week, bro. Trying to get them he's whooping right now, you know what I'm saying, already in a week, because he obviously don't get short haircuts, you feel me, because he don't need to. He's gonna need to because his hair is real loose, has really loose curls, so he don't need to get a short cut, you know what I'm saying. But look, y'all see it, we watch it again, run that shit back. You run that shit back, bro. You feel me? Yeah, definition looking great. Definition is looking great. So whoever this dude is, man, like he the Bar Brothers, bro, he like getting haircuts by people that's in California. That's barbers that's in California. That's what's up, man. But I'm talking about on the West Coast, cause we on the West Coast right here. You feel me? This is the West Coast. So anyways, man, so that was getting tagged into this one, and then I also was getting tagged into, let's put my other dude in, Philly Barber King. And I got tagged into this one later on. I'm like, did this nigga just get 2 shape ups in one day? Did my guy just get 2 shape ups in one day? I just want to know that, bro. You know what I mean? Shout out to Philly Barber King as well, man. You guys make sure you guys go right now and follow him. You know, he does brilliant haircuts, bro. I didn't check out his shit. You know, I also did the first video I did on Melo. Well, not actually the first video, but the video that Melo first haircut, cut off the wolf and shit. Remember last week I did that video? He actually shouted me out, you know what I'm saying? And that's what's up, because he didn't really have to do that. So this is Melo Barber right here, you know, so he didn't have to do that. So, you know, he actually shouted me out and shit, and we'll be chopping it up in the inbox. And he's a real good guy. So everybody go over there right now and subscribe to his channel. Follow him on his Instagram. And I don't know, maybe if you guys in California or something, you guys can get a cut. And we arranging something. I might just arrange something with him. We already chopped it up a little bit. I might just arrange something with him and have him cut my shit after this 15-week whoop challenge. I might have him cut my hair, bro. We might have to set something up. You know what I'm saying? Already chopping it up. I don't know. Should I or what? You know what I'm saying? Getting my hair cut, getting the 15-week whoop cut by Melo Barber. Come on, bro. Anyways, man. So this is the other picture right here. The other video that I was getting tagged in right here, and which kind of confused me because I got tagged into that one, the other one, and then I see that he's cutting his hair. He's shaping himself up too. So I don't know what it was, what happened that day. See? He obviously just got done getting a shape up, or he about to get one. Maybe clean it up or something. I don't know. You know what I'm saying? That's not the same day. So I don't know, man, but yeah, that shit was crazy, bro. I was tripping off that. Like, damn, hold on, like, I just saw the other video. I was getting tagged in that one, and now I see my guy Philly and him in his chair doing his thing with his. So I don't know what it is, man. Anyways, man, that's the end of the video. I feel like my guy is doing his thing, man, and I feel like he caught Lonzo. And I don't want to say about Jello no more, because Jello, man, I haven't saw his way. Like, I just think he just went to curls again, bro. Which kind of hurts me, bro, because I wanted Jello to start getting back into the wave game, man. I wanted Jello to do his shit, man. I was really looking forward to seeing Jello progress, you know. But, man, y'all see my guy Melo progress, man. It's looking real good, bro. Honestly, it's looking real good. I'm feeling it. I'm definitely feeling it, man. Yes, sir. That's why. Let's run that back one more time, all right? Y'all see it, okay? top angle, from like angling down, like sky view angle, straight down to the waves. Then you got the kind of lower angle, back, left, you know what I'm saying, angle. Boom. Definition. You can tell it's short. He's just now starting to get into whooping, but you put in that work. That's a fact. Now right here you see the back right lower angle. You know what I'm saying, right there. Obviously it wasn't the same. It wasn't the same barber that cut his shit, because you can see he has the Louis. You know what I'm saying? Fuck that shit called cape on. You know what I'm saying? And then on the other one he has the Philly the Barber cape on. So I'm like, I was kind of confused on that, but anyways, like I said, man, it don't really matter. All I'm glad to see his progress, and you guys see he got another shape up. And I'm gonna make sure I keep y'all updated on what's going on with the bros. You feel me? The Wavy Ball brothers, man. Especially Durag Melo, man, because my guy is right now he's in the lead. Zoe, I haven't saw him really post anything. You know, like you said, he about to have his baby, his daughter, you know, soon and all that. And I know how that gets, man. You get so busy, you just excited about that. So maybe he haven't really been brushing like that. I don't know, but I'm waiting to see some progress on him too. If I find something out, y'all, you guys already know. Or if he finds something out, tag me into it, and we can get straight into that, man. And that's how we gonna do that shit, man. You know, thank you guys, everybody, for tagging me into this stuff. Because if I wouldn't have got tagged into this, I wouldn't have saw this shit. Or maybe would have, but later on down the line or something. You know, because like I say, Melo, he randomly posts, you know, wave stuff on his channel or on his Instagram. Everybody else normally do it, like the barbers that cut his hair and stuff like that. So I probably wouldn't have saw it. You know what I'm saying? So thank you all. If it wasn't for y'all, this video wouldn't be possible right here. If it wasn't for you guys, I wouldn't be even doing this shit right here, period. None of this stuff. Especially the glory of God too. Love you, bro. But with that being said, I love y'all too. And if you're great, they gon' hate. Yeah. Like, comment, subscribe. Got the camera.